Mexico City was nominated by the Travel and Leisure magazine as a top destination for 2019. We are one of the most populated, biggest, and cosmopolitan cities in the world. We have a variety of experiences for our visitors. Mexico City is well known for its great service and customer care. We know small details make big differences. Please join me to know more about what you can expect from Mexico City as your health and wellness destination. We are a group of healthcare specialists compromised with providing patient-centered attention and value-based services. We have been providing in-home care for post-operative patients for the last 4 years, bringing into our clients' home an interdisciplinary team of experts, from physical therapists, personal trainers, dietitians, and nursing staff. We will be glad to serve you here, and we invite you to know our wellness loft in Condesa.